Welcome to today's episode. We tried to start the Fordson Major with an engine upgrade, and this engine is more than 350 horsepower.
320? Yeah. I ain't sure. This is going to probably piss out everywhere.
Probably will. Just know your luck. There's no diesel going through there, mate. There's no diesel. Is it diesel coming to that pump?
Yeah, it's going somewhere.
So we think this engine is actually 320 horsepower. There you go.
It's out of a fishing trawler.
Right. You see? There you go. It started now.
No. Let's try it now.
Let's try it now. So this tractor has been engine swapped because the previous engine has been had a crack liners, and this is the first time Chris has tried to start it up, and we just jumped in the middle because there's not much going on now, you see. You want to open up the... There's no smoke coming out from the exhaust yet. There's nothing in there, mate. Nothing in there. I think we need to give some elevation to that diesel, isn't it?
Pump stopped working altogether now.
Ah.
Oh, enough.
It is working.
Mm.
Yeah, it's working.
Not very well.
Bad connections?
Chinese pump.
Oh. Is some diesel leak in there, is it?
Yeah, around here probably.
Oh, it's leaking through there. Not much. It's not going any fuel in there, is it?
No fuel getting through somewhere. There's no white smoke or nothing, so it's a bit...
Nothing. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be any fuel getting there, is it?
Mm.
You should have something coming out from, at least from the top of there as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
From the injection pump.
I might crack an injector and see what happens.
If there's anything comes up. So we slacken top of the pump because there was no diesel coming out, and we're pumping. Now seems to be some diesel coming through, but there is probably a good airlock, and
I'm not sure.
we're not sure at the minute. Anything coming through? Nothing? Yes. Hey?
I said hold him there.
Is it some coming through, mate?
Yeah.
Because I seen it some black smoke coming out.
Yes, we've got a bit coming through now.
That's good, isn't it? So that was it. Hopefully. Oh, nice. So that must have been a massive airlock in there. Because to be fair, guys, we've been on it for like a couple of hours now since we started, and we thought it's just going to be a straight firing up and that's it. But it seems to be more of a fiddle, isn't it?
A lot of, yeah. We're not sure yet.
We're not sure yet. I don't know, guys, if you recognize this diesel pump. I try to put the numbers on the screen if somebody have many ideas with them, if they do a lot of airlocks. It looks like there was some really good black smoke, isn't it, coming out? Black and white smoke, so we just start picking up some diesel. By the looks of it.
Give it a try.
Right.
I'm not sure where the throttle's got to be actually.
Just that air in top of those cans. Eh? Yeah. So obviously this one needs a bit of tweaking. Run out of diesel. That's run out of diesel, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Eh?
I think so.
I think so, mate. Have a look in the tank. Have a look in the tank if it's empty.
There's a bit in there, isn't there?
I don't know if it's not catching the side, you know, with the...
Yeah. Well, it sort of works.
Yeah, I need to get...
I think it's a way over diesel pump by the feel of it.
Oh, you mean it's way too much goes through there?
That's what it's for, isn't it? Pulling in.
Leave it?
It runs. That'll do. It runs.
So this is a tractor pulling engine, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a puller.
So that's what they use in competition tractors?
Apparently so, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, apparently so. But we want to run it for long.
No. You run out of diesel?
Eh?
You run out of diesel? What you had in there? Gallon? 2 gallons?
2 gallons. It didn't take long. It's about... There's a bit left.
What, for run it for like 2 minutes?
You wouldn't want much of that.
So you reckon that was a good idea?
It was a good idea. Yes. Yeah. I thought.
The reason it's been changed, I'll show you that engine on the floor. So this was the engine in the tractor, and the liners was cracked. I think somebody left their water without any antifreeze. If you can see, good old clutch on that. It's not like a car. I mean, look at the size compared to my hand. It's humongous. And the tractor looks like working. I mean, you're not gonna drive. I mean, you're not gonna drive this on the road. It's not for that, really.
No,
It's a show tractor, isn't it? It's a rat.
It's a rat in it, but I mean, they've got such a big pump on it. I mean, Christ.
Yeah, the pump is huge. I mean, just put your hand in there just to show to the.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's humongous, and Chris have a big hand. But at least he's running.
It's running. That's all we need. That's all we need tonight.
So this is going to be shown in tractor shows, isn't it? That's what it's for.
Yeah,
when they start.
maybe.
Yeah. So that's a cool tractor, guys, and I'm glad I was here for the first startup. It was a nut. It still smokes. It still smokes.
At least it goes. That's all we needed to know.
Yeah.
At least it goes.
It's brilliant.
We're happy.
Excellent.
Absolutely.
Hopefully we can see this on a road some point. In some tractor shows pulling another tractor.
It's a weight, isn't it, they pull?
Yeah. Maybe you can pull Graham's tractor, because I heard his inliner's broken, his tractor as well. So and he want engine swap it. You think it's a good idea?
Yeah, it's all right. I wouldn't rush to do another. So it was all right. It was all right.
There you go, Graham. You can do your tractor as well. We can film that one as well with the full build.
Graham, stop messing about.
Yeah, get it done, mate. Get it done. That's it for today. We'll see you next time. Ta-da.